Hi guys, today I want to discuss with you about my soldering station, how to check the tip, how to clean the tip, how to check the soldering station. This one which I'm using here, it's a Solomon SL30. It's a digital one. Here you have the adjusting set point, and here it's a switch which is changing between set and read. Set, it's showing the set point which you adjust, and the read, it's reading the temperature on the tip. Here on top it's written heater 1. It's a LED behind of this, and it's lighting when the soldering station is sending the voltage to the heating element, when he is hitting the heating element. Here on top it's a metal tray where you keep the sponge. Now the sponge is dry, should be wet. We'll wet in a couple of moments. And here is the holder for the soldering iron, where it's staying like that. Okay, so the end part of the cord of the soldering iron is coming here on the side. It's a socket. You press firmly here, and this soldering station is working on 220 volts. This is how it looks behind. It's available also now. I don't know if it's exactly the same model. This one I'm using for already 5, 6, 7 years, and it's going very well. About the tip, you can open this one here. It's screwed, and here is the tip. You have to keep the tip clean here on the back. The tip is coming here, and this is the securing nut, let's say. It's enough to tight by hand, not too much force. And this is the soldering iron, and the voltage is 24 and 48 watts. Okay, so now I want to make wet the sponge. For this one I'm using this because it's very easy to put water here. I'm putting some of drops like that, and now I press with the finger to see if it's enough or not. If it's not enough, I am adding more. Should not be full of water to be overflow here, just to be wet. If it's too much water, you'll not clean the tip very well, and when you'll clean the tip, if it's too much water, you'll cool down too much. So from my point of view, this one is enough now. So now I will connect the soldering station on the mains. It's connected. Yes. Here it's a power switch. I will press on, and now I have to put on set, and I will adjust the temperature where I'm soldering. It's about 350 degrees, between 350 and 360. So you see now it's on set. I put on 350, and I put on read, and now you see it's on read. Here I forget to tell you about these two LEDs. They are changing according with the buttons. With the button, now it's on read, and the heater it's on. And you will see when he will reach the set point, the heater LED, it will go off. So you see, even if it's not a Weller or Veller, I don't know how they are calling this. Also this one he is hitting very fast. So now with the tip, just clean on the wet sponge, and it will look very nice. You see, it's shiny. Another tip for cleaning, another useful thing for cleaning, it's also this metal sponge. You can use also this one. If it's too dirty, if it's too much dirt on the tip, just put inside like that. You see? And after that, clean on water. They are working in the same way. Soldering wire which I'm using is this one. It's you have to pay attention to details here. In the same time, you have to use a fume extractor. I'm using this one. It's a Sunon. So here it's a guard to not put the fingers inside, and here it's also written the flow, airflow and rotation. So should be like that, to be like an extractor. Also this one is connected to the mains. I will start now. It's running. The fume extractor. You will need some brushes for cleaning. These brushes for cleaning what you're doing. The diagonal plier to cut the excess terminals from the parts. Different screwdrivers. And like example, if the tip, it will be, let's say, too dirty, and if you are not able to clean the tip with these two procedures, you can use a brass brush to help cleaning, and after you will use that brush, you can use this flux. It's helping a lot, interflux, but I don't think so it's important what kind of flux. You can put this one in one small metal can, and this one is helping the tip to recover. If you like what I'm doing here, please subscribe, leave comments, thumb up, share with others, and you can put for me some comments about what you are seeing here. And now I will show to you next how I'm making the soldering for this. I have one printed circuit board with some terminals for soldering, and we'll do this together. So this is the board. You see a lot of terminals here which they need to be soldered. I will put this plastic board under, because on the other side it looks like that. I will put some limiters below. Okay, like that. Now I will change the angle of the camera to see how I'm doing with this. Now I will clean the tip for the soldering iron on the wet sponge. You can hear this. I will take the soldering wire, and let's say we'll do this one here. I will put the soldering wire between the terminal and the tip of the soldering iron, like that. You see the fume extractor, he is doing his job. So this one is ready. I will go to the other one. Same procedure. The next one. So this is how I'm dealing with this. So for all of them, one by one, until you will cover all of them. Time to time, you see, if you I will show the tip in one moment. Okay. You see, if you are looking on the tip, start to become dirt, yeah? So what I will do now, I'm coming back to the sponge, wet sponge, and I'm just scrubbing on the wet sponge, and it's coming back clean, yeah? And now you're continuing the soldering like I explained to you. You see, it's very easy. So it's very important the tip to be clean. This soldering wire, which I'm using now, have inside flux, which is helping the soldering process. You can see around here that it's a flux. So now it's time again to clean the soldering tip. You see, it's again with some flux on the tip, yeah. So again, on the wet sponge, you can hear how it sounds, and you'll continue. Sorry, it was out of focus. Like that, like that. Perfect. Next one. Okay. So you can see how is going the fume on the extractor. Okay. So this is how I'm doing this soldering process, but again and again, it's very important the tip to be clean. I think is the most important part of soldering process. So thank you for watching. If you like this, please subscribe to this channel. Leave comments, put for me questions, ask me, share with others, and stay tuned. Thank you very much. See you.